guys, what's going on? I'm Crazy James Beast. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my first video with an actual intro, which that was it. And I haven't really shown too much on Rubik's Cubes, and I haven't had very many videos, so I'm going to start posting more often. But I am a cuber, so I can solve anywhere from the smallest cube, which is normally the 2x2, all the way to a 9x9. I do know how to solve a 13x13, but I do not have one. I will get one of those. My 9x9 is not usable right now. It's broke and it's missing a couple pieces, but I do have a 3x3, a 2x2, 5x5, 4x4, you know. So, what I'm going to be doing today is just showing you how fast I can solve the 2x2. In the next video, I'll show the 3x3, and under each video you can comment saying whether you want me to do a tutorial on how to solve it or not. Let's get into the video. So I do not have a professional timer, so I'm just using my phone, and you can see I do have a little ink on this. I got some pen ink on it. So I'm just going to be using the algorithm here to solve it, or to scramble it. So, alright, so I'm going to show you, I'm going to try solving it as fast as I can, and I will make multiple solves on this. So, not that good, but I don't know very fast of methods, so I'll mix it up and solve it again. Okay, there we go. Reset my timer. I'll turn the brightness up for this one. .76 seconds. One more time, and that'll be the end of the video. There it is. Now comment down below whether I should do a tutorial or not. That I would much appreciate it. Thank you for watching. That's the end of the video. Goodbye. See you next time.